Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. All right, Merry Christmas, guys. Welcome back to another video. This is Christmas Day. Elston, come in the vlog. Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas from me and my son, Elston, M3E. We want to wish everyone happy Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. Hold on, we're gonna do an introduction to our video. So we just want to wish everyone Merry Christmas and then hope you all having a wonderful day. We just want to wish you guys the best of luck and good health for the new year coming up on 2025, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, you got any program going on in church today?
Yeah.
What?
Song.
You have a song?
And lessons.
And lessons. Okay, we're gonna start the service today and then hopefully we'll take you guys on the journey today to just have a good time with family and church members. Let me show you guys the setup. Ooh, Manny? Manny, Merry Christmas. Hi. Kay chat take care. Patsepirin moga. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Where's babe? Mama get dressed. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, vet du att jag gick big guy på fed. Jag var inte det. So there goes the setup for today. After church, after service, and then we're gonna come down here and Merry Christmas. Hold on. Merry Christmas. Anyway, so after service, then we're gonna come here and then eat some goody food. Merry Christmas. Sugo. Hey, Afro. Afro. Come on. Say hi to Tisonson and Daddy. Iya. Efet. I'll show the food when it's ready to be revealed. Yeah, and now Catherine, mommy decoration. It's still in the process of getting set up for display. That's 35 more sabor. Huh? Okay. All right. I think I'm gonna head back to the sanctuary. I'm gonna head back to church so we can get started. I'll see you guys later. Oh, it's not a good day today. Look, it's raining, but it's still beautiful because it's somebody's birthday. Merry Christmas, Jesus. All right, okay, we're gonna head back to inside. Oh, Mama Janet, say hi to the vlog.
Hi, Merry Christmas.
You look like you're very happy. It looks like you have so many presents last night. Anyway, guys, yes, I just want to hope you guys are just having a great time. Merry Christmas to all our families here and abroad, back in Chuuk, Pohnpei, and Guam, all the way to Kansas, and then Hawaii, maybe. All right. Okay. I'll see you guys soon. Okay. I'll see you guys later. Okay.
Merry Christmas, Chuukese, where Kobu is Merry Christmas. Seorang beliau ini sekarang hingga di Korea University or Kisori Kotre. Marang cikgu panggil histori dari. Si Pakistan Kisu for their Christmas, they visit, you go proud, okay? If you say Merry Christmas twice. Okay. Kabas. Merry Christmas. Very good. Mari baik tu bukan waktu agar sini dulu. Support mu kita bawa fokus yang cerah. Ini tengok waktu so.
Thank you, sir. Fian. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
Hi. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. You too, man. Give me a hug. Nanitong.
What's up?
Happy belated birthday. I heard it was your birthday.
Yeah, on the 21st.
Yeah.
On Saturday.
You get Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Oh, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Where's the Oka?
Oh, I got it.
All right. Okay.
Wheaty's watching it.
Okay. We'll see you over there.
I remembered my lesson, but
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I was actually laughing at you when you were talking. 'Cause- Merry Christmas. Sissy. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Just so you all know, she works for Nike. So
Okay,
I'm still waiting for that discount. You know. Kamara. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, look at this guy. Oh, here. You want to say something to the vlog? Yeah.
Merry Christmas, guys. God bless.
Good job, boys. What you got to say, man?
Merry Christmas
Uh-huh.
and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. All right, then, yes, service is done. I'm gonna do my job. And then we're gonna go and get some food. Getting ready to get all the food ready. Prep. Then, yes. All right. Merry Christmas, you all again. I'm gonna put you guys down for a little bit because I'm gonna doing my job. All right. Peace out.
These guys. Elson, you got something to say to this? Look at these guys taking it from the band. Like it. The red's like it.
Is this on?
Yeah, it's on.
Merry Christmas, guys.
It's awesome.
Merry Christmas, guys. I love you guys very much. Thank you.
Merry Christmas, everybody. No, thank yous.
All right. Hey, you have something to say or what?
Yeah, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hey, yo, boy, you got something to say or?
Merry Christmas to all the viewers out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Show me real quick. Yeah, Merry Christmas. I'm gonna just do the introduction right now. We just finished church service, but next door we got a little party going on. About to eat with family, have fun, maybe open some gifts. Today was a good day. Merry Christmas to all the viewers out there. Wish nothing but blessings to all of y'all watching. It's nothing but love. All right. Now this is the new band of 2025 right here. All right. All right, say bye.
Oh! Merry Christmas!
Christmas.
Tipe ka karo.
Friday, yakan lah.
Ah,
Wala pi, naka nikichi na. Pumutibot people who are nangiiyak ang shit.
Dapat at di pay ko. Afa puro doon na. Siya? Okay, okay. Hey, Merry Christmas. Yay. Merry Christmas. Papa, yay ke kaç ko of ke gisift çoragi fiyat. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Si Bapak fikir kayak Hai. Hah? Ke cakai racak perasu sur ebo ke rarbek. If I did, we're gonna go look for some more people to wish them Merry Christmas. Oh, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! No, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
You could talk per seriare. Kau kita, no. Kira por asusu ora ring. Kaviti. Better?
Merry Christmas.
Yeah? You want to say hi? All right, here you go.
Hi.
Okay? Okay, this is Mars. Mars, you want to say hi? Huh? Merry Christmas. What about you, man? You want to say hi? Here. Here.
Merry Christmas, and next year we have a container shipping, January 17th. You guys come work with us.
Merry Christmas.
All right, the Merry Christmas from this boys. We're just about ready to get started with the food. Wait, Merry Christmas. Okay. Well, we have lots of food. Look, lots of food. Okay, see you guys. Oh. Sabu. See, that's my food. Sashimi. Okay. Oh, I need to get drinks. That's kind of hard. Okay, I want to try the okra. Man, this thing is tight. Okra. Okra, not okra. Okra. This is the Samoan made seal. Anyway, guys, I hate to enjoy my food and you guys are not. So I'm gonna try to finish it. Okay? All right. there are some people that want to be on the vlog, and they ask if I can put them on the vlog. So I'm gonna turn the camera. Yes. Yeah, you can talk to the vlog.
Okay. What do I say, guys? Hi.
Say your name.
Oh, my name is Sonora, and right now we're just eating. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Anybody want to say hi? No?
Me.
Okay, you want to say hi? All right. Okay.
Wait.
Hi. I'm Ivy. Yeah.
Okay. Did you subscribe to our channel? Gotta make sure you subscribe now. That's the rule, right? That's the rule. Once you say something to the camera, then you have to make sure you subscribe. You as well, right? Yeah. Did you subscribe? You do? Okay, that's good. You? She's camera shy. Right. All right, so you'll be seeing this on YouTube. When I post it, then you'll be like, "Oh, that's me." Yeah. Yep. All right. It's already on, but they have to be on the camera. Okay, time to move the camera. Alrighty. Bercari bahasa Indonesia. Anak saya, attention. Keeps going. Apa? Yuta, ayan. Kararakabi football. Aéreo. Oka. Okay, Oka. Turkey tail. Okay. Ito, ina si Piosor. Yeah. Hey, you did good, man. Thank you. I like that when you were playing at on the stage. That was very unexpected. You ever say the pizza? You ever say the piece? Ah, pun ada good. Sebenarnya kata saya biar dia akun dia. Meto trakagar area chor berkare fokur kare gisijek ya ya. Meto af wes ik koffie ke. Dok, para. Ik is seur. Ab die beger verke af musik. Nu die beger get reserver. Even. Je butuh instant coffee ya. Abi. Mi pare koffie. Yari. This up. Hey, look at that cake. Happy birthday, Jesus. Yeah, what are we waiting for? Why are we not cutting the cake? Huh? Happy birthday, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Kasi cutting rock cake. Ate siya cut. Anit na cut. Abu. Rebasa rera cake. Meta batega cek para karir camera. Evan. Viva. Viva. Ay, corporación cara. Mi fat pare bin nahi check apa tu ke boga kira. Yay. Oh, yan ne ke check oka. Bicha kor. Oh. Hi nani tum. Okay. Merry Christmas. Uh-oh, she's getting the fish now. She is getting the fish. Okay. You getting all the food?
It's for to go.
Okay, to go, okay. Yeah, we still have lots of food. Mereka para pasabi. Merry Christmas. Merry Rats Cake.
Merry Christmas ngani kami medicine. Merry Christmas ngani kami medicine. Kiliso po sa pantong ngani Tori Christmas sa met. Hapal Tori le sapuran kiliso sapur.
Keka frito ori bol lili. Lili akan.
Ina kita sabi untuk pulika. Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Oh.
You want to say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, sebenarnya para interfere ke kita bet. Harap sab ka po. Merry Christmas. Pasirana chuklet na baik po.
Merry Christmas. Ngeri medicine. Iso ngeri kotren. Here. Iso.
Sejak boleh lewat cara kau apa sah boleh Christmas jadi kali isu.
Pero baru kali.
Wah, para rasa kita. Namun cakap.
Ita wafera mana tebe tubu. Ya le pasira. Dile usu cak para we apa ko. One Merry Christmas ngeri medicine Kristo ngeri ko tren. Matsmara spetsakun pare ke career santor. Re Kristo.
Merry Christmas ngeri medicine cakap kata. Acak. So. Kiriso.
Merry Christmas, Pargeri Chakatot. That's Kabok.
Sahabat cek Finawan, action line. Nebi nere par mot chakar wa par kora wa pagi dia subutek.
Meri Merry Christmas ngiri cakaton. Pakiri so giri aratski pusabet.
So, your turn.
Danielle, we'll talk.
Okay.
Merry Christmas and thank you for the food.
What else?
And happy birthday to Jesus. And to Jesus.
Thank you. Yeah, Molly, you want to say?
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. Merry Christmas. Hope you guys have a wonderful holiday.
Thank you. Siapa sa kapo? Ya, para sa kapo.
Merry Christmas ngiri kevi. Kiri sore fasod. Pakiri so buat waka para tata bibir pamirakor.
So,
Merry Christmas. Kapong ngiri kevi chor. Perkatan. So bukitswi marantori. Hey. Nisambur 2024. So,
Chia, you want to say something?
Yeah. Okay. Merry Christmas, family and friends. Kiriso.
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Merry Christmas, mi medicine. Kriso papa tawera chigran miacha. Kriso chap.
So,
Merry Christmas ngiri chor kator par Kriso ngiri pot posia. Torong ngare radio che ai kare.
So,
One Merry Christmas ngiri kare. Kriso ko sapat tori radio che. Dia por aí tong kapu Merry kare chor kator.
so, mitra pergi Rifat. Ya. Apa saya kampung pegat?
Merry Christmas ngiri chor kato medicine. Eu kusi pagi.
Ngapa wes?
Okay. So, Nei det vill ni att passa på det på kunde vi ser det piffat på vi bara på sitta på. Ja. Apa sa? Ja. Apa sa ka po?
Merry Christmas. Ay medicine por Kristo sa purong ngari ran mi usara tsea. Ay tongari kan medicine.
Kristo.
Merry Christmas. Kiri medicine por seri atski family no siato. ICC siato.
So, ये बराच का बुगन इरान मेरे चियागरी जापार के दिगी चुनाव जेबेन M3E या जेफावरी नॉन नेरिया चुवासिंग द सियादन ICC सियादन peace.
Merry Christmas. Advance Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas koru pameli cokatan.
Merry Christmas, ngari ami medicine. Kiliso ngari kot, renan familyonan wala ban sises. Pepe fetu fianite ngange manarabas tipis. Kiliso maretikot. Metupuera. Merry Christmas, everybody. Kiliso pues sapat pues at sufagan nari. I see. We always.
Merry Christmas ngari medicine. Ye patsa klare ke seri samua. Nero go nete. Mira,
Ipo pa na. Merry Christmas, ngani Kevin Vincent. Hello, Mamit. Chefiseri mungo. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to Mighty Sonson. Of course, Davidson. I don't know. One Merry Christmas. Very soon. Bye.
Say your Merry Christmas.
Listen.
Say your Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, very soon.
Here, take it. Take it.
Say, Merry Christmas, everybody from Nosop Gang, Sapuk Gang.
Okay, thank you.
Merry Christmas, Neri Kemik.
Thank you.
Alright, this is the end of the video. Merry Christmas again. Well, we're just wrapping up the party. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos in the next upcoming year. Again, wish nothing but blessings to everyone watching. Be safe, keep God first. Love you guys.